Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Into His Glorious Light Resources. So today I want to talk to you guys about a movie that was very beneficial to me, that really helped me during a tough time. And so, again, I'll say it a million times, one of the reasons I started Beautifully Broken is because 4 years ago when I was lost and hurt and just in the muck of it, I was struggling because I kept watching these movies, these Christian movies, and they were like, oh, we prayed once and God made it all happen. And I'm like, that's not my story. That's not what happened. I prayed, I fasted, I pled, I was obedient. Guys, I did it all. I went to counselors. I did everything they say that you're supposed to do. And yet I was still really struggling with not having my prayer answered. And so I was like, okay, God, I need some real stuff. I don't need none of this. You pray one time and everything just happens. I can't do that because it's not happening. It's not true. And I cannot believe that is the truth for all things. And so I looked up some resources, and actually some friends told me, hey, have you ever tried watching the movie, The Heart of a Man? I was like, no, never heard of this movie. And they let me borrow it, and I took it home, and it wrecked me. It literally wrecked me because there is a story unfolding about a father and a son. And it's playing out of this father's love for his son. And his son sees another woman in lust, and all these things draws him away from his father. And as he's being drawn away from his father, he's being turned over to his sin, and as he's being turned over to his sin, things are happening to him. And his father wants to find him, but his son has chosen this. And as this story is going on in the background, you have some, the person that wrote The Shack is in this. You have some pastors in this. You have some influencers in this video talking about their secret sin. And how in their secret sin, their life was falling apart. It's like this Babylon that they had built had been completely tore down, and they were at the bottom of bottoms. And they felt like they were so undeserving. And why would God want to be in this mess with them? But each of them starts to tell a story about how their Babylon is torn down, and God rebuilds it into something beautiful, and how he redeems and he restores. And in the end of this video with the father and son, you see a redemption and a restoration. And I cannot tell you how much I needed that in a season, and how many times I have watched it over and over and over again, because my season didn't last just one prayer. My season is still going, and I'm still struggling with things. I've come a long way. I've really been able to dive deep in with God, and I trust him, and there's these things, but there's still a lot of pain, guys. And there's still unanswered prayers and unanswered dreams that I'm still waiting on. So sometimes I just need a little help reading or seeing that other people are struggling with it too, that have come on the other side of it. And I feel like this is a very good movie. It's like a documentary. It's like a documentary, but a movie, because it has both going at the same time. It was just so powerful, and I've shown it to a lot of my friends in different parts of their life, where they are, and it has been so powerful for them as well. So I'll put it again in the link below. It's called The Heart of a Man. They have it on Amazon for sure. I don't know what other resources or outlets they have it on, but they definitely have it on Amazon, and I hope this helps. Love you guys.